Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Seema Nahid, Assistant Professor, Department of Urdu, Vasant Rao Naik, Arts and Commerce College, Murud Janjira, District Raigad. I really feel very proud and privileged to participate in this important webinar and present my paper before you, the learned people, on the topic Education in India during the pandemic of COVID 19. Abstract. The importance of pandemic COVID 19 will always remain an unforgettable chapter in the world history. It made an indelible scar on the face of human civilization. It forced worldwide lockdown and made the entire world paralyzed. It gave birth to poverty, hunger, fear, worries, and frustration. Around 32 crore learners are the worst sufferers as they are prevented to educational activities are halted in India. The outbreak of COVID 19 has taught us that change is inevitable. It has worked as a catalyst for the educational institution to grow and opt for new platforms with technologies which have not been used before. This paper highlights some measures taken by the government of India to provide seamless education in the country. Both positive and negative impact of COVID-19 on education are discussed and some fruitful suggestions are also pointed to carry out the educational activities during the pandemic situation. Introduction. The pandemic COVID-19 compelled the human society to maintain social distancing. The teachers assigned work to students via internet, delivered their lectures through live video conferencing using different apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Facebook, YouTube, Skype, etc. The guardians, teachers, and students shared their difficulties through this e-medium. In a nation like China that practices a considerably more centralization system. Even in a nation like USA, there are some low pay students who don't approach broadband and unable to use computerized learning arrangement. The same is the situation that happened with India, where not every students are well equipped with the high speed internet are along these lines of suffer. Objectives. The present research paper focus on the following objectives. Number 1, to enlighten various measures taken by government of India for education sector during this pandemic. Number 2, to highlight various positive impact of COVID-19 on education. Number 3, to enlist some negative impact of COVID-19 and to put some effective suggestion for continuing education during the pandemic situation. Methodology. Data and information presented in current study are collected from various reports prepared by national and international agencies on COVID-19 pandemic. Information are collected from various authentic websites. Initiatives of Government of India on education during COVID-19. The Union government declared a country-wide lockdown of all educational institution on 16th March 2020. Thus, CBSE postponed all examination of secondary and higher secondary school on March 18, 2020 throughout. CBSE released revised guidelines for examination center. Diksha, e-Pathshala, National Repository of Open Education Resource are also introduced for secondary education. Similarly, in higher education, Swayamprabha, e-PG Pathshala are introduced. Positive impact of COVID-19 on education. Number 1, move toward blended learning. Number 2, rise in use of learning management system. Number 3, enhance the use of soft copy of learning material. Number 4, improvement in collaborative work. Number 5, rise in online meeting. Number 6, enhance digital literacy. Negative impact of COVID-19 on education. Number 1, education activity hampered. Number 2, impact on employment. Number 3, unprepared teachers, students for online education. Number 4, reduce global employment opportunities. Number 5, access to digital world. Suggestion. Number 1, India should develop creative strategies to ensure that all children must have sustainable access to learning during pandemic COVID-19. The Indian policies must include various individual from diverse background, including remote regions, minority groups for effective delivery. Number 2, immediate measures are required to lessen the effects of pandemic on job offers. Internships program. Number 3, the quality of programs may differ across different online learning platforms. Therefore, establishment of quality assurance mechanism and quality benchmark and offered by higher education institution in India, keeping in view of rapid growth of the online learning platform. Conclusion. COVID-19 has impacted immensely to the education sector of India. Though it has created many challenges, various opportunities are also evolved. The Indian government and different stakeholders of education have explored the possibility of open and distance learning by adopting different digital technologies to cope up with the present crisis of COVID-19. India is not fully equipped to make education reach all corners of the nation. The students who are not privileged like the other will suffer due to present choice to digital platform. It is need of the hour for the educational institution to strengthen their knowledge and information technology infrastructure to be ready for facing COVID-19 like situation. Thank you very much.